Good morning students. Today we will solve few more important questions from system of linear equation. So here the first question, that if matrix A is equals to 1 2 5 1 minus 1 minus 1 2 3 minus 1, find A inverse and hence solve the following equations. The equations are given: x plus 2y plus 5z is equals to 10, x minus y minus z equals to minus 2, and 2x plus 3y minus z equals to minus 11. Now see the question. In this question, directly to find the solution of the following equation, it is not given. Here it is given, a matrix is given. First you have to find A inverse, and from that value you have to solve this equation. Now how to solve this type of question? So here first you have to find determinant A. So determinant A, what will be the value? Determinant of 1 2 5 1 minus 1 minus 1 2 3 minus 1. So you have to break it. 1 into minus 1 minus 1 3 minus 1 minus 2 into this column, this row of, so 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 plus 5 into 1 minus 1 2 3, that is 1 into 1 plus 3 minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2 plus 5 into 3 plus 2. So what you have here, 4, here you have minus 2, and here you have plus 25. So ultimately you have 27, which is not equals to 0. 27 is coming, so which is not equals to 0, therefore A inverse exists. Is it clear? Therefore A inverse exists. Now what we have to find? Next we have to find adjoint A. Now adjoint A is equals to plus minus 1 minus 1 3 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 2 3. All these three determinant will come for first row. These are the cofactors. You have to take transpose of this matrix. What will be the second row? Minus sign. For this element we are finding, so this row, this column of 2 5 3 minus 1 2 5 3 minus 1, this thing you have to do very fast. Okay, do not take much time for this adjoint A. For this element, sign is positive, so positive. For this element, this row, this column of, so 1 5 2 minus 1 1 5 2 minus 1, then negative. This row, this column of, so 1 2 2 3 1 2 2 3. Next sign is positive. 2 5 minus 1 minus 1 2 5 minus 1 minus 1. then sign negative for this element. So this column, this row of 1 5 1 minus 1 1 5 1 minus 1, then sign positive for this element, this off. So 1 2 1 minus 2 1 2 1 minus 1, this you have. So if you calculate, what you will get here, you will get, therefore adjoint A is equals to one plus 3, that is 4, then minus 1 plus 2, that is 1, and minus is there, so minus 1. Next 1 plus 2, that is 5. Next minus 2 minus 15 minus 17, and minus, that is plus 17. Minus 1 minus 10, that is minus 11. Minus 11, and 3 minus 4, that is minus 1, and minus plus 1. Next minus 2 plus 5, that is 3. Then minus 1 minus 5 minus 6, and minus, that is plus 6, and minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Transpose of this. So here we are getting 4 minus 1 5 17 minus 11 1 3 6 minus 3. This is adjoint A. Clear? Understood? So in this way we have to find adjoint A. So what will be the value of A inverse? A inverse equals to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. 1 by determinant A means 1 by 27 into this matrix 4 17 3 minus 1 minus 11 6 5 1 minus 3. So up to here one part we have solved. In the next part, what we have to do, in next part, using this result we have to solve the equations. Now the given equation can be written as Ax equals to B, where A equals to coefficient matrix, that is 1 2 5 1 minus 1 minus 1 and 2 3 minus 1. B equals to 10 minus 2 minus 11, and x equals to xyz. So what will be the value of x? So from here we can write, therefore x equals to A inverse B. Now check, A inverse already we have. The same matrix is coming. Whatever matrix A is given, the same matrix is coming from the equations also. So A inverse already we have. So therefore x means xyz. This is x. Therefore x equals to 1 by 27 4 17 3 minus 1 minus 11 6 5 1 minus 3 into 10 minus 2 minus 11. Now we can multiply 1 by 27. Here if you multiply, what you will get? 40 minus 34 minus 33. Next minus 10 plus 22 minus 66, then 50 minus 2 plus 33, that is 1 by 27. You have to calculate this. Here 40 minus 77 it is coming. 40 minus 67, that is minus 27. Here 76 minus 76 plus 22, that is minus 54. And here 83 minus 2, that is 81, which implies minus 27 by 27, that is minus 1. So minus 1, minus 54 by 27, that is minus 2, and 81 by 27 is 3. That is x, y, z is equals to this, which implies x equals to minus 1, y equals to minus 2, z equals to 3. So this is the answer. Understood, student? In this way we have to solve whenever a matrix is given, and hence you have to solve the system of linear equations. Now when the variables are given in fractional form, then how to solve? That type of question we will do. So question number 2, solve the following equations. Solve the following equations. Here the equations are given like this: 2 by x plus 3 by y plus 10 by z is equals to 4. 4 by x minus 6 by y plus 5 by z is equals to 1. 6 by x plus 9 by y minus 20 by z is equals to 2. These are the equations. Now in this case, how to solve? Whenever the variable are fraction, here also in the same way we have to solve. Just the x matrix, here we will take 1 by x, 1 by y and 1 by z. Let coefficient matrix A equals to 2, 3, 10, 2, 3, 10, 4 minus 6, 5, 4 minus 6, 5, 6, 9, 20, 6, 9 minus 20. This is coefficient matrix. Here x equals to 1 by x, 1 by y and 1 by z, and b equals to 4, 1, 2. Clear? Understood? So first what we have to find? First you have to find determinant of A. Determinant of A equals to 2 into, here it is coming 120 minus 45. 120 minus 45 minus 3 into minus 80 minus 30 plus 10 into 36 plus 36, that is 2 into 75 minus minus plus 3 into 110 plus 10 into 72, that is 150 plus 330 plus 720 is equals to 1200, not equals to 0. So therefore A inverse exists. Next we have to find adjoint A. Adjoint A is equals to in the same way we have to find adjoint A. Minus 6, 5, 9, minus 20, then minus 4, 5, 6, minus 20, then plus 4, minus 6, 6, 9, minus 3, 10, 9, minus 20, plus 2, 10, 6, minus 20, minus 2, 3, 6, 9, plus 3, 10, minus 6, 5, minus 2, 10, 4, 5, plus 2, 3, 4, minus 6. This is coming. So this is equals to, here it is coming 75 minus 80 minus 30, 110, 110, then 36, 36, 72. Here it is coming minus 60 minus 90, that is minus 150 plus 150, then minus 40 minus 60 minus 100, then 18, 18, 36, this one 2369, 2369, here it is coming 18 minus 18, 0, then 15 minus 60, 15 plus 60, that is 75, 10 minus 40, that is 30, and minus 12, minus 12, minus 24, transpose of this. So this is equals to, here you are getting 75, 110, 72, 150, minus 100, 0, 75, 30, minus 24. This you are getting. So this is the value of adjoint A. Next we have to find A inverse. Therefore A inverse will be, A inverse is equals to 1 by determinant, that is 1 by 1200 into this matrix adjoint A. 75, 150, 75, 110, minus 100, 30, 72, 0, minus 24. Therefore what will be the value of x? Therefore x equals to, A inverse B, which implies 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z is equals to 1 by 1200. The matrix is 75, 150, 75, 110, minus 100, 30, 72, 0, minus 24 into B. B is given 412. 412. B is given 412. Now we have to multiply. So that is 1 by 1200. 75 into 4, 300, 300 plus 150, 450, 450, 150, that is 600. Next 110 into 4, 440, 440 minus 100, 340, 340 plus 60, that is 400. Here 72 into 4, that is 288. 288 plus 0 and minus 48. 288 minus 48 is equals to 240. Therefore this is equals to 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and 24 by, that is 1 by 5. So this implies 1 by x equals to 1 by 2, 1 by y equals to 1 by 3 and 1 by z equals to 1 by 5, which implies x equals to 2, y equals to 3, z equals to 5. This is the answer. So in this way we have to solve the questions. Okay, whenever the variables are given in fraction. Now in the next question we will solve a word problem. Here the problem is given. From this word problem, this is the third type. From this word problem, first we have to form the linear equation, then you have to solve it by matrix method. Here the question is given: two schools P and Q want to award their selected students on the value of discipline, politeness and punctuality. School P wants to award rupees X each, rupees Y each and rupees Z each for the three respective values. That means rupees X for discipline, rupees Y for politeness and rupees Z for punctuality. To its 3, 2 and 1 students with a total award money of rupees 1000. That means 3 students are there for discipline, 2 students are there for politeness and 1 student is there for punctuality. School Q wants to spend rupees 1500 to award its 4, 1 and 3 students. 4 students for discipline, 1 student for politeness and 3 students for punctuality on the respective values by giving the same award money for the 3 values as before. If the total amount of awards for one prize on each value is rupees 600, using matrices and the award money for each value apart from the above 3 values, suggest one more value for awards. So this you have to solve. That is, if the total amount of awards for one prize on each value is rupees 600, using matrices find the award money for each value. Using matrices find the award money. Find the award money for which value, and apart from the above 3 values, suggest one more value for awards. This is a value based question. So how to solve this question? First you have to form the equations. So what will be the first equation? See, here we are giving 3 students, 2 students and 1 students. 3 for discipline, 2 for politeness and 1 for punctuality. So we can write 3x plus 2y plus z. This is equals to 1000 rupees we have given. Similarly, another school, they have given 4 students, 4x plus y plus 3z is equals to 1500, and another condition is given that if the total amount of awards for one prize, so one prize on each value means x is the value for discipline, y for politeness, z for punctuality. This is the value for each. 600, x plus y plus z equals to 600. So in this way, first you have to form the equation by reading the question. Therefore, what will be A matrix? A matrix will be 3, 2, 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 1, 1. X equals to XYZ, and B equals to 1000, 1500 and 600. Next, what we have to find? Next we have to find determinant A, that is 3 into 1 minus 3 minus 2 into 4 minus 3 plus 1 into 4 minus 1. So what is coming? Minus 6 minus 2 plus 3 minus 5 not equals to 0. Next we have to find adjoint. Therefore adjoint A, from here we are getting 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. Here we are getting minus of 1, and here we are getting 3. For this element we are getting 2 minus 1, that is 1, and sign is negative, so minus 1. For this element we are getting 3 minus 1, 2. For this element we are getting 3 minus 2, 1, sign is negative, so minus 1. Third row, first column, this element, 3, 1 element, 6 minus 1, 5. 3, 2 element, 3, 3 is a 9 minus 4, 5, sign is negative, so minus 5. 3, 3 element, 3 minus 8, that is minus 5. Transpose of this. So minus 2, minus 1, 3, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 5, minus 5, minus 5. This is adjoint A. Therefore, A inverse equals to 1 by minus 5 into this matrix. Therefore, X equals to into B matrix, that is 1000, 1500 and 600. If we multiply, what we will have here? Minus 2000 minus 1500, that is 3500, plus 3000, that is minus 500. Minus 1000 plus 3000, that is 2000, 2000 minus 3000, that is minus 1000. 3000 minus 3000 cancel, so minus 1500. This we have, so which implies x y z is equals to, if you divide by minus 5, what you have here, you have 100, here you have 200, and here you have 300. Therefore x equals to 100, y equals to 200, z equals to 300. Hence the money awarded for discipline is 100, for politeness rupees 200, and for punctuality rupees 300. So for discipline rupees 100, for politeness rupees 200, for punctuality rupees 300. Next part, you have to say one more value for students. You can say sincerity. So apart from the above three values, school can award students for sincerity. So this is another value. Okay, in this way you have to solve word problem. So practice the question from exercise 8a. In our next class we will start determinants. Thank you students. Have a nice day.